Hey, what's going on, everybody? You got Kenny and Mongo out here in Mongo's garage, and he's got the front end tore apart on Henry once again. He's putting a 2.5 inch leveling kit on it so that it will clear the new tires and wheels he just put on it. He ended up going with a set of 22 by 33s. How wide are they? 1250.
1250
on a 12 wide wheel. Looks really nice with these wheels and tires on it. It dresses it up, makes it look like it's got a tuxedo on again versus the black wheels, which was more of a sport look. So he's got the driver's side just about ready to go in here. He's putting that apparently that bolt is now a nail, but he's getting that loose spring in there now. I'm going to put the camera down and give him a hand so we can get this done. We've got church today at 4 o'clock, and then after that, we've got a family gathering. So let's get this done. What do you say, KJ? He says, quit talking to the camera. And let's go already. One of the things I wanted to mention was that when you build a truck, you really need to go over all the bolts and make sure that everything stays tight. As you can see there, that panther rod bracket is not all tight. All right, so the driver's side is all done. Brand new spring is installed. It's got a longer panther rod, and we did put new bolts in the panther rod bracket, so it's all good and tight now. On to the passenger side. Oh, new shock too. Isn't that sexy? All right, so there's Henry with the new 2.5 inch rough country leveling kit on the front end. KJ's just wiring up the light bar. He'll get that glow plug, yeah. He'll get that block heater plug tucked away. Then I think he wants to go wash this thing. What time is it? No idea. We have been at it for an hour and a half. That means KJ's been at it for about 2. So I would say we did pretty good. He did get the track bars off. They are sitting here, as well as the tow hooks. The truck looks kind of naked without tow hooks. He should have went out and got them chrome ones off of the 6-liter frame. At least put chrome ones on it. Hey everybody, what's going on? You got the Omongo Man out here. It is now Saturday evening, about 10:30. And I didn't have a wrap up for this video, so I had to come back out here to the garage and let you know what we did, what's going on, and what's coming up. So we did get the 2.5 inch lift kit on Henry. It looks so much better now. It is a little high in the front. KJ's thinking about maybe adding a little bit of lift in the rear, but for right now, I think it looks really good. It looks a lot better than it did anyway. The tires and wheels still rub a little bit, but he thinks that that's probably because he had gooned up the inner fender on the driver's side anyway. So next up, like I said before, he's got the track bars off of the truck. So those are going to be going to get powder coated. So are those hooks. He's going to be getting he's getting the hitch off of the 06 frame that we have out there. He's going to take that hitch off and then send it for powder as well. So that'll do all the powder. But for the most part, that one is, that little project is done for now. So I do need to get the Bronco in. I have a new carburetor here, or at least a rebuilt carburetor that I got for my birthday. I need to get this carburetor on that and get rid of the feedback carburetor that's on it. That way it'll run a little better. And then I do need to get started on that thing. I'm hoping to get the new truck, my new work truck soon. So we got a couple little things that we need to do to that. But for the most part, we're just moving right along here. Let us know down there in the comments what you guys want to see us pull in here next. So we'll see what that does. Like I said, it is currently empty. All right, that's it for now. We will see you guys in the very near future, probably for the midweek wrap-up next week. See what we get doing. We got to do some more wiring on the Cowboy Killer to get the air horns working, and then we'll go from there. But don't just stop watching this video. You guys got to go all the way to the end here, simply because KJ did some beauty shots. The truck's not clean, but we got some decent shots of it with the new lift kit on. All right, see you later.